Good morning, guys. Today I'm working on the car just for a minute or two. I'm not going to do a whole lot today because I'm still waiting on the oil adapter from PRL. But the goal today is just to get the bumper back on. I might clean things up a little bit because, the car has been sitting for half the year and it's covered in dust and dirt. But for an update, the kit is completely back on. Turbo and downpipes back on. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to use the adapter plate or the sandwich plate because it hit the downpipe there with the oil filter. So I have to go back to the PRL for now. If that doesn't end up working, I'll have to end up getting an oil filter relocation kit because it's the only way it's going to work with the sandwich plate, unfortunately, which honestly, in the wrong one, that might be the better way just because it makes oil changes a lot easier. But overall, she's almost there. And once I get her up and running, probably end of this week, I'll probably take a day off work and I'll probably end up finishing the tune. I won't be on a dyno this time, mainly because of funds and time. And I'm also not going for as much power as I did last time. I was going to go for like a 450, call it good, because I'm still on the stock transmission. Don't feel like having another failure this time of year. 2020's been rough enough as it is. That is my weekly update, little video blog I wanted to do. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Let me know of any future video ideas I can do. The car should be, like I said, running by this Friday. I probably won't have it tuned until probably next week, but I might do a video of me doing some polls on that as I tune it just for fun. Okay, later guys.